This cinematic trailer template will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Place template on the timeline. You can add multiple copies. Here you can add text. Change font from here. Here you can change title position and scale. Change title color here. Particles and flare color can be changed from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.